Hey guys, so I want to do a quick review of the TWA algo for Friday. All right, and we're going to try to do it in replay for the entire, starting, on Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern when the market opens up. Let me get it over there and then make sure auto's on this time. We're going to have it on a pretty fast speed because this video is only supposed to be a minute long. All right, auto's on and let's go. Markets open. This is Sydney and Tokyo session. We have a TP sign. Candle coloring is red. Now they matched. Well, I guess the commentary, it's just too fast. So just watch it for yourself. There's a sell sign. Some nice points there. Very nice points on that sell sign. Very nice. Nice sell sign here. Let's see. Oh, another nice winner. Coming to midnight now. The sell sign. Very nice. All right. Very bearish so far in the signals. Another sell sign. Very nice drop again. Very nice drop on this. Yep. All right, London is opened, and we're now in the London session. Candles are finally green for the first time, and then we have a sell sign. It doesn't matter. Down it goes. Very nice. So signal's looking good so far. Here, very bearish. Very bearish. I did not trade much yesterday. I tend not to trade as much on Fridays. Another sell sign. First one where this was the first sell sign I see where it wasn't that many points, but still a winner. That's a good one too. Now New York's open. All right, let's see what the most volatile session of the market, how the algo performs. So far, so good. Looks like this video is going to be over a minute long, so it's not going to be a short. Nice TP sign at the top there. Then turns red and down it goes too. So there's definitely ways to get into the trading game without the signals, that's for sure. Almost finished. And we are done at 4 o'clock. All right, so not bad. Not bad at all. These signals are definitely becoming more and more accurate as the traders inside of the Discord provide more and more feedback on how on the best settings for it. So it really is an amazing tool. It doesn't replace your knowledge of trading. Like I said, there's a million ways to enter the market. You don't need to have a buy and sell signal to do that. But it's nice to be able, especially if you're a newer trader, to have a tool that can provide you that type of emotional relief as far as when to enter, and then that way you can just focus on managing your trade and managing your risk and managing your capital and manage your trade. So, all right, well, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next week.